Have you ever found yourself struggling to help your child master their multiplication tables or fraction problems? If so, there is an easier and more effective way. That's where the CPA approach comes into the picture. The CPA approach stands for concrete, pictorial, and abstract. It is designed to simplify complex concepts and make them more understandable. The concrete stage is all about using physical real-life objects to introduce a new idea, skill, or concept. This could be anything from using blocks, candies, counters, and so on. The main idea here is to make math tangible and real for the child. Let's have a look at this example. There are 8 apples in the bowl. James ate 3 apples. How many apples are left? If the problem is about apples, then try to use real apples to explore the problem. Children then can use other physical objects such as cubes or counters to represent the apples. When children are comfortable solving problems using real-life objects and manipulatives, they can begin to relate to the concept by using pictorial representations, including drawing pictures or diagrams of the concrete objects used previously. It is a great way to link the concrete stage to the abstract stage. For example, children will draw 8 apples, cross out 3, and then calculate the remaining. They also can draw 8 cubes to represent 8 apples, cross out 3, and count the remaining. Finally, in the abstract stage, the physical objects and pictures are replaced with numbers and symbols. Children solve problems that only involve numerals, mathematical symbols, or any other mathematical notation. For example, 8 minus 3 equal. Now, let's have a look at another example. How would we do it? Step 1. We're going to use real candies to investigate this problem, so children can connect with the real world. Have 12 candies and 3 bowls in front of your child. Ask your child to share equally 12 candies in 3 bowls by placing every candy in each bowl until completing 12 candies like so. Count how many candies are in each bowl. Step 2. Pictorial stage. Ask your child to draw pictures of candies used in the concrete stage or use counters to represent the candies. Share 12 candies equally in 3 circles that represent 3 bowls until no more candies are left. Step 3. Connect to the abstract stage. 12 divided by 3 equal 4. The concrete and pictorial representations are there to help children to understand abstract mathematics. It's a good idea to show concrete pictorial abstract representations side by side so that children can begin to make links between them. So, next time you find yourself in a pickle while trying to teach your child math, remember the CPA approach. It's simple, it's effective, engaging, and fun, and it might just be the solution you've been looking for. Thanks for watching and see you next time.